In primetime news this evening, overdue. St. James business sector welcomes state of emergency declaration. Opposition questions new SOEs even with court's decision on constitutionality pending. And later, getting worse. Health crisis at St. Catherine's Glengough Police Station still not addressed 6 months after concerns were raised. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you think the states of emergency will help reduce crime? Give reasons for your answer. And you can share those comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.